I'll place this sketch on the top plane. I'll start from the origin and draw the rectangle. Now, using Smart Dimension, I'll set the width to 38 millimeters and the height to 56 millimeters. The next step is to add some fillets. I'll select the Sketch Fillet tool and apply it to the two corners on the left side with a radius of 10 millimeters. Now, I'll add some circles. I'll draw one circle up here and another one down here. To position them correctly, I'll try to add a dimension. Oh, notice this message? Make dimension driven? This means the sketch would become over-defined if I add this dimension. This is a common mistake. The better way is to use relations, so I'll cancel that. The correct solution is to make the circle concentric with the arc. I'll do the same for the bottom circle. Then I'll select both circle centers and add a vertical relation between them. Now all I need to do is define the diameter, which will be 10 millimeters for each circle. I made a mistake here. I entered 20. We correct the value by clicking on it twice. We enter 5 millimeters for the two circles, then we correct it again to 10 millimeters again as the diameter of the two circles. Now that the sketch is complete, I'll go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base to create an extrusion with a depth of 8 millimeters. Next, I'm going to make a cut. I'll select this side face and start a new sketch. I'll draw a rectangle here in the corner with dimensions of 4 millimeters by 8 millimeters. Then I'll use Extruded Cut, and from the options, I'll select Through All, so the cut goes through the entire body. Now, on the top surface, I'll add another feature. I'll sketch a rectangle and then use a 3-point arc to draw an arc on top. With the Trim tool, I'll remove the top line of the rectangle. I'll make the arc tangent to the side lines. I'll set the width to 28 millimeters the height of the straight section to 14 millimeters and the total height to 34 millimeters. Mistake again. Correct to 34 millimeters. After that, I'll draw a circle in the middle with a diameter of 10 millimeters. I'll go back to Features and extrude this profile for a distance of 8 millimeters. Now I will draw two circles from the center of the extruded circle. The first has a diameter of 28 millimeters, and the second has a diameter of 10 millimeters. I'll go back to Features and extrude this profile for a distance of 8 millimeters. To strengthen the design, I'll add a rib. I'll sketch on the front plane. I'll draw a single diagonal line connecting the edge to the base. Then I'll select the Rib command and set the thickness to 6 millimeters. I'll click OK. Finally, I'll add a fillet to the bottom edges of the rib to smooth them out, and I'll change the color of the model from the Appearances menu. I'll save this part.